right, this is section 13.1, mad props. This is actually 13.2, sorry. Can somebody hit the lights for me, please? Tonight's homework is page 741. We're going to do numbers 1 through 16, and then don't forget that you need to work on your final review assignment. Remember that your final exam is June 4th through the 6th. All right. I want you to take out your calculators, please. And we're going to play around with some numbers here. Can everybody hold up their calculator for me, please? Jason, I need you to wake up, babe. Whatever it is that's bothering you, I need you to shake it off, please. Okay. All right, do me a favor. Put this in your calculator, please. Please put in log of 5 and then add log of 3. And tell me what you get. Thanks, babe. I'll take it. Thank you. There was no like slip from the library to return books. Angel, what'd you get? I'm sorry? What are you waiting for, girl? Okay, well, ask somebody in your group. Make sure you know how to do that, babe, because you're going to need it for the test. Angel, ask your group, girl. Samantha, what'd you get? Cyan, is that what you got, babe? 1.17? Daisy, what'd you get?
I got 1.17.
Okay, let's highlight that. Log of 5 plus the log of 3 is approximately 1.17. Alright, on the same exact calculator, can you please plug in log of 5 times 3 and tell me what you got? Hi, come on in.
Do I turn these into you?
Yes, please.
The last date.
I'm sorry?
I didn't know whether to put, because I thought at the end of May we turn, is this for May or for April?
End of April to the May till 5/23. I did email you back, but yeah, you're gonna go all the way to 5/20.
Oh, so I wait there.
Please write it in, but still turn it in.
Okay, let me fill them in.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, so go ahead and fill in the dates.
Yes, please. Mm-hmm. Kathleen, what'd you get? 1.17 again? No way. Brooklyn, what'd you get? How did we get the same exact thing? There are some properties here, you guys. I want to remind you back in the day when we learned about exponents. The same rules that apply to exponents are going to apply to these logs. This is what I mean. Remember we used to have like x squared times x to the 9th? Isaiah? Sit, 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 sit. I don't care. What did we do with that 2 and that 9? Why? What is this the same thing as what? What is x squared the same thing as? Yep, x times x, and this is 9 of them. So we realize that when you multiply exponents, you're really just going to add them all up because that's how many there are. So in exponents, multiplying yielded addition. And that's going to be the same truth for logs. How do I prove that to you? Well, I just did. Multiplying logs gets you the same answer as adding the logs. Multiplication yields addition. Kyle, can you move your chair so that you're facing me, please? A little bit more. There you go. Thanks, honey. So just like in exponents, multiplication yielded addition. So in this scenario, we would have get x to the 11th. So you would add the exponents. So just like in exponents, multiplication yields addition. You would add the exponents. Everybody with me? So same thing's going to happen for logs. If I give you the log of 5 times 3, you automatically know that's the same thing as the log of 5 plus the log of 3. And you just proved it to yourself. They're the same value. So if you ever get confused about which one it's going to be, well, you think of exponents. What do you do when you multiply exponents? You add. What did you do when you divided exponents? Who remembers? You did subtract. So the same truth is going to be for logs. Kirsten, you with me? All right, let's try proving what we just did. Let's prove that same theory for division, please. So can you please do on your calculators the log of 10 over 7? Can you please put that in your calculator for me? Kyle, what do you get, sweetheart? One more time, honey, I can't hear you. 0.15? 0.015? So 0.15, right? Jashawn, what'd you get? Everybody gets the same thing, right? What do you guys think? So far, so good? So let me show you what's going to be expected of you on tonight's homework. Example 1. The directions will be to expand each logarithm. All you're doing is rewriting it in a different way. So you'll be given something like this. The log of 6 times 11. Kirsten, what's happening inside the argument of the log? Is that addition, subtraction, multiplying, or dividing? Multiplying. Very good. And Dylan, what does multiplying yield? Addition. Very good. So since I see a multiplication happening inside the argument, I know that that's going to yield addition. So my answer is going to be, I'm going to write that in a different color, log of 6 plus log of 11. How can I check if I'm right? Put it in the calculator. Very good. The only time I can't check it is if they give me letters here. So let's say there's like an A and a B in here. Then I'm kind of not going to be able to check it. But I can plug in numbers for A and B to check it to make sure that the property is correct. Let's try another one. Example 2. Log of 6 over 11. Lauren, what's happening inside the argument this time? Dividing. Very good. And Mia, what does division yield? Very good. The division yields subtraction. So Victoria, how would I rewrite this then?
Log 6 minus
Very good. Here's your doya. Please rewrite or expand log of 3/5 plus the log of 4 times 9. Agree or disagree? All right, any questions so far? All right, what I want to do now is ask you to write down some examples of how it would look in the opposite direction. For example, if I give you the expansion, can you give me, if I give you the expansion, can you give me, this would be called a condensed version. Can you go backwards? So I'm going to give you 6 examples of what that would look like. And then you're going to tell me one other property that you notice in these examples. I haven't taught it to you yet. But in these 6 examples, I want you to notice like, hey, Miss Riad, you didn't teach us this one right here. Oh, but I noticed what you did every time. And then we're going to discuss that together. Okay? So I want you to be cognizant of what you see. I don't want you to just copy. I want you to like observe, be like, I noticed something here, and I want you to tell me what you notice.